Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you guys are new over here, then welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. If you are struggling in English, don't worry. I'm also struggling in English. We should work together in English. We should learn together in English. Then our English upgrade from 0 in advanced level. Don't worry, I'm also beginner in English. I am also learning phase in English. I am also learning from real life experience. So don't be stressed. Don't be stressed. Sorry, I said stressed, not stress. Uh, I had always stress serious in English, right? So, but I had no idea how to talk in English, right? So English is just an international language. If we have no idea how to talk in English, how to share our ideas, share our experience, share our knowledge, share our journey, whatever. So English is compulsory needed. If it's okay, English is just a language, but if we have no if we have no ideas how to talk in English, there is low chance to get job. There is low chance to share our ideas, right? So that is why English is so much important and so basic need in our daily life. So every um, every subject, every websites, every what every international knowledge written by English. That is why English is compulsory. That is why I am talking this camera and I am recording this video. So don't be serious in English. Don't be embarrassment in English. I always embarrassed in my life, in my past life, means what before, right? I always embarrassment because of my English is poor, my English is weak. That is why I'm not I'm not get job because of my confidence is not high and my English is poor. That is why English is needed. That is why I tell myself one day I will English speaker. That is why right now I record this video. So if you want to learn in English, please you can also learn from your real life experience. Please try to record video and try to speak in English. Whatever you think in English, just you speak in English. Forget about embarrassment. Forget about people judged. Forget about stress. Forget about what stock. Forget about nervousness. So, so your mind think, right? If you think English is just easy language, I also talk no matter how much people uh, are there. I will share my ideas. So don't be delayed. Please start your English journey. It's a such a such a what YouTube is a such a huge platform. Please record your video and upload your video. Now people judge you, people comment you. That is why you can learn your real life experience. So I'm also learning real life experience. I'm also beginner in English. Bye bye, have a good day, see you sorry, have a good night. See you soon. See you next video. Please comment it and judge me. I will improve my next videos. So bye bye. Love you. Lots of love. Bye bye. Have a good day. Sorry. Have a good night.